Good morning. Golagina. Awe pagmalo adawada very limit la pa de very tichena but te very aba pukitele takatula pato ura tatiche. Nani yiki hida awe takatu doklo adolu takatu doklo ma. Dita teterito ni dita very confused. Very confused. Very confused. Akamyane awe abibunya dita pamalita dua pakwalita dua mya papali awe benar ba kuno so abibune patela very confused now memele pamutmo tate very confused ba pamutate le tagtule pato thora tate jene pakala perplexed akamyane dita tala very confused Pemete pione aya shote dita kuno show nyama na awe pemetele yigi ado dita takuto doklo dita we are perplexed but we don't give up and quit we are perplexed but we don't give up and quit we are perplexed, but we don't give up and quit. Akamyane pakuno sonya nakige pete hi akhaba pete hi shuba ma agatatone very dangerous akamyane awe lobayo doma na pememutatela apatot ura taritsene pakala perilous akamyane awe alobayo doma alone andiyemiande awe pemitele takato doklo ne yiki adorita my job often put me in perilous situations my job often puts me in perilous situations. My job often puts me in perilous situations. Kayita mani awe lobayo awe mama loma. Agaratone very easy. Awe nyonyo pula takoba taba chumo kukoba taba tira ba aba. Very easy. Nyonyo pula. Pemitela apatauta taricene effortless akamyane nyonyo pula ayan luede pemitela takato doklo yigi adori takato doklo ne he answered the question with effortless ease he answered the questions with effortless ease akamyane awe pakwane sisewedata tikwa tirphani nyonyo awe lagoni nyonyo ma napana agarato dane very expensive tale very expensive ne apui donya ne pakala very expensive tamine promotate very ba promotate le awe pupupo la patau thata jene petela costly tale awe cost dida awe alepui leglima costly ne akamyane apui donya costly now awe ayan zeji de yige adodita awe peki halu kale Thailand ma that trip to Thailand will be costly. That trip to Thailand will be costly. Akamyane we tale halokwele yokone we apui dodo mama apui dodo ma. That trip to Thailand will be costly. Agartone very dry. Akamyane akhi thota akhi ne very dry akhi nyama permitted bataura tajene parched ve akomyan ditala very dry permitted lagare to ne parched akhit ho nyama na ayan chokte permitted ighi adodita takuto doklodita my throat felt parched after running the race. My throat felt parched after running the race. Aware, you bo aware. You do I you bo hit honya aware. Peggy cheaper we are lucky ne. Dali running the race ni what cheaper ma. What race ni what na. My throat felt parched after running the race. Napana, agadato ne very funny, very funny, very funny. Aloni pado. Aware, but me telepatora that jene hilarious, hilarious. Ngana huate hilarious, hilarious. Akamyane very funny. Na, aware ayan yare. Permitteleta to our doclone. It was hilarious when he fell in the water. It was hilarious when he fell in the water. Abuela niya, abuela teletikla. Banyak la teletikla ma, awe pakwani la teletikla lo niya. Meme leta kladikla ni ma, tame yiteleta komuye aplat lo ni ba dita. Yitera do yimutate, tabo kwarane ala teletikla de lo niya de. Awe yikite yitaka. It was hilarious when he fell in the water. Pagkatete myuma, pagkapapa meta expression te myuma. Tame pamaloli jadi negatile yitete myu jene. Tame dita nimiti ele yitele takle hadi permitted but the god permitted nira di pagkate pameta te myu jene mana. Agadatone very good, very good. Aginya na permitted bataura tadi jene excellent, excellent. Kamyane very good, excellent. Hello, Gamoda. The weather. The weather is excellent today. The weather is excellent today. Aware munkoklitawani rido ma very good. Agaratone very happy. Very happy. Sakunya sakudoma very happy. Permitela patora dalsene ecstatic. Ecstatic. Ngna huate ecstatic akamyane very happy pure shwezia where you hear do data she was ecstatic to receive the award. She was ecstatic to receive the award. Awe pamune atakudo ma leniba weda awe keniba weda talakapoma tal award ni talakapoma su talakapona. Agaratone very hungry, very hungry. Awe lobe padonya pemitela apatora tarjene starving, starving, starving. Aya besade. Yigia dodita saminya. The cat were neglected and starving. The cats were neglected and starving. Awe taminya ti depane wa patia war kwatro bablane awe ti lo bema a lo bena tale neglected ni dita awe wat kwatwe chichana ba pati chichenene wa kawale neglected dita wa phota na wa tele neglected chilana wa kwatro mi chichana bane na agaratone very interesting, very interesting, very interesting. Akamyane lo tuni tanya permitted laboratora tarjene fascinating, fascinating. Na fascinating. Ayansi wizabo garden. Aware permit yigihile tagato doclone. It's a fascinating story. It is a fascinating story. It is a fascinating story ခမညာနေအဝဲ that story တခိုင်နေအဝဲစစ်လစစ်ဝေစာမှာအဝဲတခေတခိုင်လစစ်ဝေစာမှာနော်အငါတို့နေဒေတာ very slow အဝဲအကဘူမအခအကဘူနေ very slow အဝဲပမေတလာပတောတာတချင်နေ sluggish ခမညာနေ very slow အရာနင်းတယ်အဝဲဒီကဟိအဒိုဒီသာ she woke late feeling tired and sluggish she woke late feeling tired and sluggish အဝဲဒီတာအဝဲပမှုနေအမီရထနော်ကြာဘောဒီနာတူဘာဒီတာတပွေတာတူဘာခတူဘာကဘူအဂါရတော့နေ very small တလ very small နေအခြေတော့မှာဘမီတယ်လဘတော်ရတာကျနေပကလာ tiny နော်အဝဲတေးသေးလေးချစ်ချစ်ပေါ့နော်ဘလနီဒေတာပမေယခိအဒိုဒေတာ their house is really tinyအဝဲတေးအဟိနေချစ်ချစ်ပေါ့လာမနပနာအဂါတနေ very big ဖာဒို very big ဖာဒိုပမေတယ်လဘတော်ရတာကျနေ huge နော်အရန်ကြီးတယ်ဒီကိအဒိုဒေတာဝဲ he is a huge football fan he is a huge football fan အဝဲပခွာနေမိဝဲတာအဝဲ football တကလုကွဲ football fan အကေဝဒါ football ပရိတာဖာဒိုတကမအဝဲကေဝဒါ football ပရိတာဖာဒိုတက he is a huge football fan နော်အဂါတနေ very strong ပမီတယ်လဘတော်တာတချနေ powerful ရိချုမာ very strong ရိချုညာ powerful အရာတာမာတယ်အရာပြေးတယ်နာကိနေလာနာအဝဲခိအဒိုတာတီနမူ the perfume has a powerful smell the perfume has a powerful smell အခမညာနေ the perfume has a powerful smell အဝဲတီနမူတခါနေအဝဲအနမူချုမာနော်အဂါတနေ very tasty အဝီတော့မှာဝီတပွား very tasty ပမီတယ်လပတော်ရတာကျနေပတယ်လာ delicious နော်အဝဲအရတာအရန်ကောင်းတယ်နော်ဘလဒီဒေတာယခိအဒိုဒေတာအဝဲတကတူဒေါကလနေဒေတာ ice cream it's so delicious ice cream it's so delicious အဝဲရေခဲကိုလို့ရေခဲမို့နေအဝီတော့မှာအငါတို့နေ very busy ဒီတမှာအညာပမီတယ်လပတော်ရတာကျနေ swamped very busy အလို့အရမ်းများတယ်နော်ဒီကိအဒိုဒေတာ I'm completely swamped with work at the moment I'm completely swamped with work at the momentခမညာနေခေနေရတမအတပွာလာဒေတမအတပွာလာခေနေတမအတပွာလာနော်မလို့ပနေလာနာဘိုင်ဘိုင်တပ်လို့လက်တိကွာနာ